Khanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now we will see how to interface keyboard display to 8086 microprocessor by using Win862 software.
Now, to write the program for keyboard display, first open Win862 software and then click on this assembler window. Now in this address place you have to give any address. So after giving address you have to click assemble. From here you have to start writing the program. So now the first instruction is move W AX comma hash 0000. Second instruction move B AL comma hash 90. Move W DX comma hash 0 FF E6. Next out B DX. Next call 2047. Call 2060. So this 2047 and 2060 are the locations where the control has to move when they are executed. Next move B AL comma BH. Next move W SI comma hash 2100. Next move B AH comma hash 00. Next add W AX comma SI. Next move W SI comma AX. Next move B CL comma SI. Next call 2047. Next move B CH comma hash 08. Next RCL B CL comma 1. Next JNB 2034. Move B AL comma hash 02. And next move W DX comma hash 0 FF E4. And next out B DX. Next move B AL comma hash 0 3. Next move W dx comma hash 0 FF E4. Next out B dx. Next JMP 2040. Next move B AL comma hash 0 0. Next move W dx comma hash 0 FF E4. Next out B dx. Next move B AL comma hash 0 3. Next move W dx comma hash 0 FF E4. Next out B dx. Next DEC B CH. Next JNE 2021. Next JMP 200C. Next move B BL comma hash 0 6. Move B BH comma hash 0 8. Move B AL comma hash 0 2. Move W dx comma hash 0 FF E4. Next one is out B dx. Next move B AL comma hash 0 3. Next move W dx comma hash 0 FF E4. Next out B dx. So here we have typed wrong, out B, it is not out D. So click OK. Out B dx. Next DECB BH. Next JNE 204B. Next DECB BL. JNE 2049. Next, RET. Next, move B BL comma hash 03. Move B BH comma hash 0F. Move B CL comma hash 08. Move B CL comma AL. AL comma CL. Next, move W DX comma hash 0FF E2. Next, out B DX. Next, RCR B AL comma 1. Move B CL comma AL. Move W DX comma hash FF 0FF E0. Next, IN W DX. Next, and B AL comma hash 1F. CMP B AL comma hash 00. Next, JNE 2087. Next, SU BB BH comma hash 05. Next, DEC B BL. Next, CMP B BL comma hash FF. So 0FF we have tried actually. Okay, CMP B BL comma hash 0FF. Next, JNE 2066. Next, JMP 2060. Next, RCRB AL comma 1. Next, JNB 208C. Next, RET. Next, add B, BH, hash 0, 1. Next, JMP 208 7. So this is the complete program for keyboard display. After typing the program, you have to close the assembler window and you have to open this disassembler. So after observing this disassembler, here you have to give the starting address where you wrote the program. So give the starting address as 2000. So in the 2000 we wrote the program in assembler. Click disassemble. So in this mnemonic part we can observe our keyboard display program. Now you have to click set PC. So the program execution starts from here. Before clicking run, you have to connect keyboard display module to 8086 trainer kit. After connecting, click run.
So first we have to connect this keyboard display module to one of the port of 8086 trainer kit. Since we are using even port addresses, we have to connect it to the first port. If you use odd port addresses, you have to connect it to the second port. So as soon as you connect this keyboard display to the trainer kit, this keyboard display will be getting on. Once if you write the program by using Win862 software and click set PC and run, then you can observe the key that will be displayed on the keyboard. So once you click run, then you can observe the display blank. It means the program is successfully compiled. Now whatever the key you press on the keyboard, that particular key will be displayed on this display. Suppose if you press number 2, 2 will be displayed. So if you press number 5, 5 number will be displayed. Okay. So if you press this 8 button key, then you can observe on the display the number 8. This is how we have to interface keyboard display to 8086 microprocessor, and whatever the key we are pressing, that pressed key will be displayed on the keyboard display. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.